Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Victoria with Cubico Living, Cubico Walls. You're actually watching this video because you're wondering how to order our temporary walls through our website. I'm actually going to link everything down below and let's get started. So the first step would be to book a 15-minute discovery phone call with one of us. Actually have our calendar on there. So we want to know where the subject property is. Are you guys in escrow? When is the closing date? Have you guys acquired the property and it's being used as a different model? What is that model? What is it being used as? Is it vacant? Is it occupied? Has it been an Airbnb, long-term, mid-term? Your vision, your goal, that's pretty much step one. Step two would be measurements. We ask that you send us a lot of videos, a lot of pictures of the common space that you're trying to convert. So as an example, this is actually a family room. And if we want to convert this into two, so I'm actually going to measure from this wall all the way to the front door. I brought my electronic tape measure here. I'm going to measure, and it's actually 20 feet. So 20 feet, and I'm going to look for where my 10 feet is. So I'm measuring from this to that wall, and then here. So around here. So this is one room and this is another room. I'm going to need two door panels. So one swinging right and the other one swinging left. Now there is a big difference, guys. Door panels has a door, and the rest would be just the standard panels. They are two different pricing. So for this side, which is the length of the room, I'm actually going to need five panels. So two door panels and three standard panels. This way, because it's 10, we don't need a door here. So it would actually be 2.5 panels. So that's what we're going to be needing. Now, the ceiling height is also very important. Beyond 8 feet is actually going to be an upgraded price. So let's see how tall our ceilings are. So it's 11. So the measurements that we're going to be needing would be 20, 10, and then 11. Once we have all that information, we're actually going to give you guys a price sheet. We'll give you guys a quote. And if you guys agree, we'll go into contract. And then once we're under contract, we're going to need to know when is the right time to deliver and install. Now we install in the same day. We just need to know when is your escrow, as an example, when are you closing? We'll get it delivered and installed the next day. For this example, we're actually going to be needing 2 door panels and 5.5 standard panels total. We do need inspection from you guys, the buyers, to inspect the product, because once our installers leave, it actually becomes non-refundable and no returns. So with the temporary walls, they're removable, they're temporary. If there's any regulations that come through, we can just take them off, store them, and use them in a different property. So book a call with one of us. That would be the first step. I'll link the link below. I can't wait to speak to all of you guys. I hope you guys are as excited as we are. And until then, keep it cash flowing.